Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to describe another my Free Fire match and how I played it and how I enjoyed it. I am going to describe with you and I am going to tell to you that match. And before any further ado, let's start the match. And first I opened the match and I saw my phone battery is so full and I can play it easily. And then I went to the Free Fire. I logged in with my account and I put my email and I put my password, and then I went to the Free Fire's game lobby. And then I changed my character. That I changed the character into Alok because I know that with Alok it's run so fast and it increase our rank too faster, and it also increase our HP during the fight, and especially in the safe in the zone. So I took that character and he runs so fast. I imagine that he's so fast and I realized that it's so fast and he runs good and it makes so good headshots. And then after that I took that character and it was unlocked. Everyone have that character, and then I unlocked that character. I was so happy that I got new trick and I'm knowing that it is well increase my rank. And after that I invited a friend and he came to my lobby, and then I talked to him too much that we will do like this. We made a plan to kill the people, and we said that we will together. If you will not with me, and I will leave this team. And that's all. And now we are having the match squad. We are ranked, and then we started the we are ranked. It was a countdown. It was so long countdown. We have the 30-second countdown, but it went to the 3 minutes, and I was waiting so impatiently that then I was about to cross the click the star button, and then it was like this so near, and then the match started to begin. Then I was so happy that I didn't stop the match, and then I am in the match, and now I started the match, and then I will kill too much people, and I was dreaming and I will increase my rank, but unfortunately I landed on the land and they killed me. Then I was shouting that revive me, then anyone was not listening to me, and then I said to number 4, and he was a good player, and then I said to him, and then took the tokens, and you have to take the tokens 400, and now 400. Now I will be the revive, and then I will help you too much. And then he revived me, and I went to the and I took the Bison gun, and it is the favorite gun of me. Then I started to kill them. Then I went to the peak and went to the room of the peak, and then I saw there is two people. There are two people, and one is dead and the other is helping him. Then I killed that man who was helping the man, and then they both were dead. Then I was hiding before the vending machine that anyone will come, and he will help those people, and then I will kill them. And then coincidentally a man came to help them, and then I killed that man, and then I had got 3 deads, and then I killed 1 dead one, and then I killed 2 dead one, and then I killed the 3rd one, and then I killed everyone, and then I got the 3 kills. Then I was so happy, and then I took the guns from him. One was having the SKS, and then I took the SKS, and then I went to the house which was near to the peak too much, and then I walked through the stairs and went to the roof, and then I sat there and I was waiting for the shade. Then the shade will come, and then I will put this shade here, and I will put the glue wall for the door, and if anyone will come from the door, he will see the glue wall, and then he will be back. And then I put the shade on the roof and went to the peak, and then I shooted a man, and he was chasing me, and he was not having the gun, and he was chasing me, and then I went to the shade, and then I killed him, and I was so happy that I got I have got 5 kills and I will kill too much people and I will get booyah. And at the end I kill too much people. My friends also kill too much people, and at the end we were having the final fight and Zone was very near to us, and we were having a bit space in the middle, and we were so scared that Zone will come, and where the man has escaped and he is hiding, we cannot find that man. We were 4 and it was the 3, and we were so happy that we will win, that we are so good and we are good player that we have came at the end, and I'm hopeful that we will be booyah. And then I rounded myself in the glue wall. The four were shooting me, and I was so scared that they will kill me, and there is no revival point that my team will not revive me. And then I rounded myself into the glue walls, and I was having the infinity unlimited glue walls, and I was so happy that then they were shooting me, and then my friends killed them. I was so happy that I have got the booyah, and but unfortunately I have got only plus 80 rank, and I was not so happy that I have got so not good rank, good but not so good like the on the other's time. And then I was still happy that I have. Now I'm hopeful that if I will play the another match, and I will be on the gold 1, and now I am on the gold IV, and I'm hopeful that in a few days I will become the diamond V, and I'm so happy and that I will become the diamond V, and after that I will become on the master, and then I will become heroic, and then I will so far, and I don't know the whole list. And that's it. If you enjoyed my video, please like and subscribe my video, and that's it. Thank you for watching.